So first of all, we would like to thanks to all the people who have taken our JLPT N5 exclusive content. So all those who are not aware of JLPT N5 exclusive content, it's basically our extra content which we are providing, and for that you need to take our exclusive content. What do we provide in JLPT N5 exclusive content? We provide live classes, live doubt solving classes, a space where you can ask your doubts anytime and we will resolve it as soon as possible, practice questions, test papers, cheat sheets, notes. So you get all these things at a very basic price. So what is the price of it? It's just 99 rupees per month, and due to Independence Day and because we have got a great response, it's just 99 rupees for some more days. After this we will increase the price. All those who want to clear the exam, JLPT N5 exclusive content is must for them. It is very important. All those who are following JLPT N5 crash course, it's really important that they take our JLPT N5 exclusive content, because your doubts will be covered. You will get practice tests, you will get question papers, you will get PDFs, you will get live master classes. All these things will make sure that your chances of clearing the exam are very high. So you just need to click on the link in the description and it will take you to the page. There you need to just purchase our exclusive content and you will be ready with us on the journey to clear the JLPT N5 exam.